Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about two humanoid robots that you probably never heard of, but absolutely you should. One of them has a digital face that can project emotions, lessons, or even videos. And the other produces torque that's comparable to what you've seen in Formula One race car. But the question is, are these robots the next big leap or just hype? Let's find out. I'm Vida. Welcome back to Tech Time. Let's first talk about Phybot C1 companion humanoid, a robot that's been quietly moving forward without much public attention until now. Right away, when you look at this robot, you've noticed something unusual. The front of the head is actually a full projection display. Using this screen, the robot can show emotions, visuals, educational content, or even small clips. It's a feature we almost never see on humanoid robots before. The C1 stands at 128 centimeters, which is about 4 foot and 2 inches, and weight is around 62 pounds. It includes 25 degrees of freedom and the battery has 4 hours of use. Inside the C1 uses the Intel Core i7 to process data from its stereo RGB depth cameras and enabling real-time 3D mapping. The robot also includes the 9-axis IMU for balance and orientation. But one of the C1 features that stand out is the face projection system. With full color customization and the ability to display expressive animations, this feature could make C1 engaging for classroom, therapy, or home assistance. And this is a great feature. And with the weight of 62 pounds, it's much lighter than something that we saw in Boston Dynamics Atlas, which was around 170 pounds. Clearly, it's positioning this C1 for daily interaction rather than heavy industrial tasks. Price and release date remains still unannounced, but expect something around 5,000 to 8,000 range, likely sometime after 26. But here is a question. With a robot that doesn't have a hand, how far can a companion robot like C1 really go? And what tasks actually can this robot perform in real world? Let's compare it with another Phybot model that is more capable. Here's where things get very interesting. The Phybot M1, designed for higher performance general purpose work. M1 stands at 5 feet 8 inches and weighs under 60 kilograms, which is around 132 pounds. It has 32 degrees of freedom across the head, arms, torsos, and legs. And also it has fully articulated 5-finger hands, which basically dramatically increase its ability. What are some of the capabilities that this robot has is it actually can load around 44 pounds with both arms, over 50 kilograms or 110 pounds on the back, up to 83% of its body weight. So this robot moves at over 2 meters per second, which is around 4.5 miles per hour, which is basically it's kind of a light jog. And the joints outputs up to 530 Newton meter of torque, which is the number that you usually see in Formula One race cars. And this power comes from Phybot's custom PhyArc 150 driver, which combines the motor, reducer, and encoders in one modular system for precision and easier maintenance. The M1 runs for more than 2 hours, and its batteries are hot-swappable in about 15 seconds. For compute, it uses an NVIDIA Jetson, delivering 100 TOPS for AI processing, powering its 3D LiDAR, stereo RGB, and HDR camera system for navigation and task execution. This model is intended not only for home use, but also for logistics, service work, and industrial roles. For this model also, there is no confirmed price, no official release window. Best guesses is around 2026-2027, and no final OS or programming ecosystem announced. But even with this much power, How long before humanoid like the M1 can be trusted in real workplace with unpredictable environments? Who will reach full autonomy first? Phybot, Tesla, or someone else? But let's think about this. If robots can now learn tasks from simple sentences, what happens once everyday users start teaching their robots at home? How fast does their skill set grow? Tell me in the comment which robots should learn household tasks first, or should these be used only in warehouses, hospitals, and factories? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time on TikTok Time.